Now, over 180 participants have turned out for the 17th staging of the annual Star Search KFC Jabba Star Search basketball camp being held at GC Foster College. In noting changes for the camp this year, as well as the encouraging turnout, President of Jabba, Dr. Mark Broomfield, noted they are already looking ahead to the 18th staging.
So the camp is rising, it is growing, it is building, and next year we expect to lower the age some more in terms of have campers that are 20 and under that will come to the camp, because we are really trying to create this space where our campers can get opportunity to develop, but also to get opportunity to go overseas on scholarships.
A number of American colleges were also present in the form of coaches. And also present on the opening day was co-founder and former national player Kimani Friend, who along with his mother started the camp back in 1999.
Hopefully that the Star Search can continue to grow for the next couple of years. We can have more sponsorship from the private sector, and my dream is to hopefully see more young boys and girls from the program excel at the highest level here in basketball.
In the meantime, proceeds from the camp will also be used to assist the long-serving Western basketball official Stephen Lawrence, who is now confined to a wheelchair.
Who has given his life to the sport. Unfortunately, he's in a wheelchair, and this year we want to donate to him a wheelchair that is mobile. So this year is a special year.
Among those participating at the camp are the national under-17 boys who are preparing for the Centro tournament starting on July 26 in the Dominican Republic.